What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy Xavior the Spade. And today we're of course going to be doing a tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you a color change called the paintbrush change, and I'm going to show you two ways to do it. They're pretty much the same, it's just the direction you do it. It's similar to something we did before called the KM move. So if you didn't see the KM move video, you might want to click the thingy thing and go check that out. That's a utility move, not really a color change, but this is a color change. Grab your favorite deck of dead hands, which you can get at 𝗦𝗧𝗥𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗢𝗠. And let me tell you something, the cards actually make you better. If you it's been proven by 7 out of 8 scientists that dead hands make you a better magician. So go to 𝗦𝗧𝗥𝗙𝗙𝗢𝗠 and get your dead hands while you can, because you should. And for those who got it already, I hope you enjoy them, and thank you so much. And in the meantime, let's get to the PaintBrush change, or as it was called in early France, le paintbrush change or something. I don't remember. Alrighty, let's teach you the paintbrush change, as it's known to the youngsters. And we're going to be using my dead hands deck, of course. So this is basically the paintbrush change. We have the 6 of hearts. Let's just give it a little wave. It can change into the 8 of diamonds. Look at that, magic has happened in our hands. Let's try it again. Ooh. So this time I'll do it like this. So we have the King of Spades here. Turn to the King of Diamonds. You can also do it towards you if you really wanted to, and do it like this. Right? I'm not a big fan of that one, but it's really, really simple. This is going to be a super short tutorial. So as you swipe back and forth, you're just going to push the card off in line with the deck. So as you can see, I'm holding the double, and if you don't know how to get a double by this point, really, what have you been doing this last year besides not learning how to get a break? Really? I'm kind of disappointed. And you, not in you, but you. The rest of you are doing amazing, and I'm so proud of you. But come on, get up to speed. Come on. So we have the 6 of hearts, and I'm just going to pick it up by the edge and pinch it between those fingers like this. And I'm going to swipe back and forth. And as I come down, I'm going to push with my thumb, allowing that card to flap down as I finish the change. So you just get a double, you go here, and now you're swiping. I'll try to do this very exposed. And now you slap it down onto the deck as you keep swiping. And there you go. So obviously I'm doing this to show you that's not how you do it. Okay, don't do it like I just did it. I'm just doing this to show you when the card gets put onto the deck. So one more time, come over, it goes like this. Just wipe it down. Make sure it doesn't go up on the thumb like that. That was me looking at the camera and not what I'm doing. But yeah, just go here. This goes down, you keep going. And there's your paintbrush change. Now there is another one, actually, now that I remember. Let me show you the longitudinal way. So it's the same basic idea, only you're gonna do it this way. And this time you're gonna push off of your fingers and just pull that card down like that. So same thing, you get a double, you grab it this time by your hands, and you swipe down, and you do forward, then back. And as you go forward again, you're just gonna push that card off and end this way. That's about it. That's the paintbrush change. That's really simple. I hope you enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Go get your dead hands. And thank you for 60K. And I'll see you guys maybe in Vegas or in Florida, or depends on where I am. I'll be updating you. Check out my Instagram to see where I am. Alright, peace out.
I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly.